Okay. Today was a good day. 5912 Ryan 7 first generation. 5920 Ryan 7 first generation. 5739 Gillick Advantage low floor diesel. 5754 Gillick Advantage low floor diesel. 5845 Gillick Advantage CNG. 5717 Ryan 5 diesel. 5848 Gillick Advantage CNG. 5841 Gillick Advantage CNG, and 5822 New Flyer C40 LF, and 5713 Ryan 5 diesel. Okay, now the Gillick Advantage low floor diesel 5755 is coming in. And 5920 is coming in. And 78. And that Gillick Advantage low floor diesel is going to go on the 43. Huh? Also to learn right 3. Phase 754 is now leaving. And 5841 is now on the 60. And 175C on MTA commuter bus route 991 is to Hagerstown. Town is arriving. And Gillick Advantage low floor here 5736 is leaving. .5932 is arriving. He's going to Montgomery Village.
I was reading on how to fix it or something, and basically there's just like a cleaning stuff that you can use on stainless steel that has a little bit of an acid in it or something.
5848
it's right up. So I grabbed that while I was at Target also. Wow. That stuff is amazing.
3912 here.
I think if I do it a little bit more,